powerful microwave non-wired chip resistors for surface mounting, R1-156, are designed to operate in DC, AC and impulse current circuits. With their heat-dissipating mounting pads, their power dissipation of up to 10 watts is significantly higher than that of chip resistors of similar size. The R1-156 resistors are used in microstrip dividers and couplers, attenuators and loads, high-frequency amplifiers, impedance matching circuits and telecommunication equipment in frequencies of up to 6 GHz. The R1-156 resistors also dissipate high power of up to 10 watts when mounted onto the surface, are made of a durable alumina carrier, have a small overall size, 1206 and 2010, and operate in a wide frequency range of up to 6 GHz. When the R1-156 resistors are in operation, it is necessary to provide an adequate thermal regime on the heat-dissipating surface under the resistor to make sure the temperature does not rise above 90 degrees Celsius. A metal flange or a board made of a high thermal conductive material, ceramics for example, may be used as a heat sink. The most convenient solution would be to use a typical printed circuit board with plated holes that are filled with solder. The resistor is installed with its heat-dissipating surface on pads with holes. At the same time, the lower surface of the board with metallized holes must provide the adequate thermal regime for the resistor. For detailed information about this product, as well as other Erkon products, please visit our website, the Products section.